Hello students, welcome. This is the online lecture for physics. Myself Varsha Mahalle from SR Patil Junior College Akola. This is the fourth lecture for the chapter Current Electricity, in which we are going to study about meter bridge. Students, you know that in the last lecture we have learned about the Wheatstone bridge. The meter bridge is a modified form of Wheatstone bridge. So before starting the our point, that is meter bridge, I again revise here the Wheatstone bridge. In the Wheatstone bridge, we know that there are the four resistances P, Q, S and R are here the four resistances that are connected. Here P, Q, S and R are the four resistances that are connected between point A, B, C and D in such a way that they form a quadrilateral. Now, a battery and key is connected between the two diametrically opposite point A and C so that the current will pass through the whole circuit. Between the another two diametrically opposite points B and D, there is a galvanometer is connected. Galvanometer is an apparatus same as that of the voltmeter or ammeter that is used to check the flow of current through the circuit. Here, the Wheatstone bridge acts on the principle that when there are the 2 points equipotential, here point B and point D is equipotential at some situation. In that case, there is no current flowing through this branch. The galvanometer will show zero deflection and the current Ig flowing through the galvanometer is zero. In that case, we can say when Ig is equal to zero, the ratio of P upon Q is equal to ratio of S upon R. We have learned already about it. Here the current I is divided into two branches, I1 and I2. I1 flowing through the resistance P. At point P, the same current I1 will flowing through the resistance Q also, because though we know here the current I1 minus Ig, but Ig is equal to 0, the same current I1 flowing through the Q. Here I2 comes from point A to D and again here from D to C, the same current I2 will flow because Ig is 0. And we can obtain this condition. We have learned it in the last lecture. Now we see about the meter bridge. This is the picture for the experiment of meter bridge, experimental setup of meter bridge. Here this wooden board हा दिसतोय ना तुम्हाला rectangular wooden board बघा, square rectangular wooden board. This is called as the meter bridge. Why it is called as the meter bridge? Because a uniform metal wire, इथे बघा ही बारीक metal wire दिसते आहे. A metal wire of uniform cross section, yes, conducting wire that has the length 1 meter. त्याची length 1 meter असते. It is fixed on the wooden board between two L-shaped metallic strips. And as the length of that wire is 1 meter, it has given the name meter bridge. These are the two, see, this is suppose a metal strip L1 and this is the metal strip L2, conducting metal strips L1 and L2, and one straight metal strips are fixed on the wooden board in such a way that two gaps are formed here. The gap on our left side, see here is the gap that is called as the left gap of the meter bridge, and this gap that is on our right side that is called as the right gap of the meter bridge. When we connect the circuit between this point, this is suppose our point A and this is our point C. Between this point A and C, we connect the battery and key. बघा, positive terminal, high potential point we connect here at this point A. The negative terminal is connect to the key. The key is used to make or break the circuit, and another point of key is connect directly to the another point of the wire. Now this wire is connected to the battery and key so that the current will flow through the wire. In the one gap, we may connect here an unknown resistance whose resistance is to be determined. We can connect here generally in the left gap, and in the right gap, this is the resistance box. We can take out a known resistance from this resistance box. Now this is your point B. At this point B, one terminal of galvanometer we connect to the point B and another terminal of galvanometer we connect to a jockey. Again, I describe here, see here, this is the diagram of meter bridge. आपण ड्रॉ करतो तेव्हा डायग्राम बघा. This is the wire. Wire ची लेंथ किती आहे? 1 meter. A metal wire fixed under the two L-shaped metallic strips. This is the straight metal strip. This is your point B, this is your point A and this is your point C, and point is obtained with the help of by touching the jockey on the wire. In the left gap, generally we connect unknown resistance. इथे resistance box दाखवलेला आहे. In the right gap we connect the resistance box. The battery and key is connected between point A and C to flow the current. Again, now see in the next slide. This is the diagram given in your book now. An unknown resistance X, we have to find the value of this X that is connected in LG, that is left gap. A known resistance box that is connected in the right gap between point A and दिस इज पॉइंट सी. इथे बी म्हटलंय पण याला आपण सी पॉइंट म्हणू जनरली. आणि तो आपण कनेक्ट केलेला बॅटरी आणि कीला, आणि हा पॉइंट बी आपण गॅलोनोमीटर आणि मग जोकीला कनेक्ट करतो आहे. अँड हाऊ वी कॅन, दिस इज द कनेक्शन ऑफ द सर्किट दॅट आर गिव्हन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. Meter bridge consists of a wire of uniform cross section and 1 meter in length, stretched on a meter scale, which is fixed on wooden table. The ends of the wire are fixed below two L-shaped metallic strips. जे मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला तेच आपल्या डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये दिसतंय बघा. आणि दिस इज गिवन इन युअर टेक्स्ट बुक. अ सिंगल मेटॅलिक स्ट्रीप L that separates the two L-shaped metallic strips, forming the left gap and right gap, leaving there two gaps. Usually an unknown resistance X is connected in the left gap and resistance box is connected in the right gap, that is in the other gap. One terminal of galvanometer is connected to the terminal C म्हटलेलं आहे, आपण इथे B पण म्हणू शकतो, and on the central strip, while the other terminal of the galvanometer carries the jockey J. Now, when we close the key, the current will flow through the circuit. आता इथून करंट येतोय बघा हा, at this point A, that is divided into two branch. काही करंट वर जाईल अननोन रेजिस्टन्स मध्ये आणि काही करंट वायर मधून जाईल. समजते? सेम एज दॅट ऑफ द विंस्टोन ब्रिज. जसं विंस्टोन ब्रिजला पॉइंट ए ला तुमचा जो रेक्टँग्युलर असतो, पॉइंट ए असतो बघा क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचा, त्या पॉइंट ए ला करंट जो आहे हा दोन ब्रांचेस मध्ये इथे डिवाइड होतो. काही करंट काय होतो, एक्स मधून जातोय, सम करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू द वायर. नाउ द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द एक्स ऍट दिस पॉइंट सी, इट विल टर्न टुवर्ड द गॅलोनोमीटर. तो गॅलोनोमीटर मध्ये जाऊ शकतो आणि उरलेला करंट रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स मधून इकडे येऊ शकतो. वरून येणारा करंट इथे भेटेल तुम्हाला आणि हे दोन्ही करंट एकत्र होऊन इकडे येतील. आता बघा मीटर ब्रिज मध्ये आपल्याला बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन यूज करायची आहे. we choose the resistance from the resistance box in such a way that the x upon r हा जो रेशो आहे हा इक्वल असला पाहिजे, म्हणजे 1 आला पाहिजे. जनरली वी चूज द रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स. आपण असं रेजिस्टन्स काढतो, वी टेक आउट सम सुटेबल रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स दॅट इज नियरली इक्वॅलंट टू दिस एक्स. जेव्हा इक्वॅलंट टू एक्स असेल तेव्हा तुम्हाला अँड टच द जोकी ॲट डिफरंट पॉइंट्स ऑन द वायर अँड ऑब्झर्व द डिफ्लेक्शन इन द गॅलोनोमीटर. आता जोकी जेव्हा तुम्ही वायरला वेगवेगळ्या पॉइंटला टच करणार, वेन देर इज द करंट फ्लोइंग दिस गॅलोनोमीटर, द गॅलोनोमीटर विल शो सम डिफ्लेक्शन. आणि आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, द पॉइंट डी ऑन द वायर, दॅट पॉइंट डी फॉर विच द गॅलोनोमीटर शोज झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन. वी कॅन ऑब्टेन दॅट पॉइंट डी ऑन द metal wire. It may obtain at 50 centimeter, at 48 centimeter, at 54 centimeter. At any point, we will get, according to the situation of the circuit, we will get the point D for which galvanometer shows zero deflection. When galvanometer shows zero deflection, we can say this point, this is your point B or C. This point and these points are at equipotential. Their potential are equal. There is no current flowing through the galvanometer. हे आपण म्हणू शकतो. And then in that case, we can say the bridge is balanced, and we can find the ratio x upon r is equal to the ratio of half of that wire that is opposite to x upon the ratio of half of the wire opposite to r. Again, see in the next slide. This is again the picture of meter bridge. इथे थोडं कलरफुल पिक्चर घेतलाय मी. बघा, the resistance box, unknown resistance, point A, point C, battery आणि key. आपण काय करणार, सुरुवातीला टेक आउट, क्लोज द की अँड टेक आउट सम सुटेबल रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स अँड मेक अ टेम्पररी कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द जोकी ऑन द वायर ए बी अँड ऑब्टेन द पॉइंट डी फॉर विच गॅलोनोमीटर शोज झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन. वेन द गॅलोनोमीटर शोज झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन, वी कॅन से दॅट द ब्रिज इज बॅलन्स. धिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ जोकी. हा जोकी इथे तुम्हाला पॉइंट, फक्त आपण एरो दाखवतोय, इथे आपण असा जोकी मेटॅलिक स्ट्रीप यूज करणार. बघा इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड अगेन आय टेल यू हियर. सी दिस इज नाउ युअर मीटर ब्रिज. अ सुटेबल रेजिस्टन्स आर इज सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स. द जोकी इज ब्रॉट इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ ए बी ॲट वेरियस पॉइंट्स ऑन द वायर ए बी अँड द बॅलन्स पॉइंट दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द नल पॉइंट डी इज ऑब्टेन. द गॅलोनोमीटर शोज नो डिफ्लेक्शन वेन द जोकी इज ॲट बॅलन्स पॉइंट. गॅलोनोमीटर तुम्हाला झिरो डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवेल. आता इथे आपण या मीटर ब्रिजला विंस्टोन ब्रिज सोबत कम्पेअर करू शकतो. लेट अस ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. बघा हा हा विंस्टोन ब्रिज आहे ना. आता इथे पी म्हणजे काय राहील? पी म्हणजे तुमचा एक्स राहील. हा पॉइंट ए आहे ना, ए आणि बी पॉइंट मध्ये. आता हा पॉइंट आपल्याला बी म्हणावा लागेल इथे, सॉरी हा पॉइंट बी आपण कन्सिडर करू. मग ए आणि बी मध्ये जे रेजिस्टन्स आहे एक्स, त्याला आपण म्हणू पी. मग बी आणि हा पॉइंट तुमचा सी आहे समजा, बी आणि सी याच्यामध्ये रेजिस्टन्स क्यू, म्हणजे रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्स मधून काढलेला रेजिस्टन्स आर असेल. आता ब्रिज आपला बॅलन्स असला की आपण म्हणतो पी अपॉन क्यू इज इक्वल टू एस अपॉन आर. म्हणजे इथे ब्रिज बॅलन्स आहे तर मी काय म्हणणार, एक्स अपॉन आर इज इक्वल टू एस म्हणजे काय राहील, द रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ वायर ऑफ लेंथ एल एक्स. समजतंय? We measure when the balance point is obtained on the galvanometer. We measure the length of the wire opposite to unknown resistance as Lx, and the remaining length of wire opposite to resistance of as Lr. And we can note that length because there is a meter scale fixed on the wooden board. 100 सेंटीमीटरची टोटल मीटर स्केल फिक्स आहे ना इथे. म्हणजे आपण Lx ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित आहे, Lr ची व्हॅल्यू माहित आहे. मग एक्स अपॉन आर इज इक्वल टू एस अपॉन आर. पण मग हे एस रेजिस्टन्स आणि आर रेजिस्टन्स आपल्याला माहित नाही. पण आपण म्हणू शकतो एस इज द रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ वायर ऑफ लेंथ एल एक्स अँड आर इज द रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ वायर ऑफ लेंथ एल आर. मग ते कसं काढायचं? फॉर दॅट I will explain the next part of this lecture on the whiteboard.
Now, here I explain the meter bridge, the theoretical explanation of meter bridge. For that, I will explain how to write the theoretical, how to write the question. That is the one question in your exercise. It is that explain how you will determine the unknown resistance by using the meter bridge. You have to perform this experiment in the lab also. Now, what is meter bridge? Again, I explain here. In the meter bridge, there is a uniform metal wire, a metal wire of uniform cross section, and the wire has length 1 meter, so that it is called as the meter bridge. That 1 meter metal wire is fixed on the wooden board, on the rectangular wooden board between two metal L-shaped metal strips below the under that L-shaped metal strips between points A and C. There is one again straight metal strips, and these three strips are fixed on the wooden board in such a way that two gaps are formed on the wooden board. The left gap on the left side is called as left gap, and gap on the right side of our cell is called as right gap. An unknown resistance whose resistance is to be determined, suppose we call it as X, it is connected in the left gap, and a known resistance box from which we can take out any suitable resistance R that is connected between the right gap. Now between point A and C, we connect a battery along with a key and rheostat to send the current through the whole circuit. Now between point B, one end of the galvanometer is connected to point B, and another terminal of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey. Jockey is the metal slider. Metal contact. For the temporary contact we use a metal slider that is just like a pen. आणि याच्या एंडला इथे मेटल कॉन्टॅक्ट आणि प्लास्टिकचं कोटिंग असतं. म्हणजे तो मेटल स्ट्रिप जॉकी जो आहे तो आपण वायरला कोणत्याही पॉईंटला टच करून टेम्पररी आपण डी पॉईंट ऑब्टेन करू शकतो. That is called as the jockey G. Now we will write the description how we can determine the unknown resistance. Before that, first I explain here, the meter bridge is nothing but the modified form of Wheatstone bridge, because in the Wheatstone bridge there are the four resistances that are connected in such a way that they form the quadrilateral. That is ABCD is a quadrilateral. In the one arm AB, the unknown resistance X is connected. In the another arm BC, the resistance box R is connected, from which we take out the suitable resistance R. And between point AD and CD, the wire is divided into two parts, and that metal wire has some resistance. That resistance is considered here as R3 and R4. And when the bridge is balanced, we can say X upon R is equal to resistance of wire Lx upon resistance of wire Lr. But when the bridge is balanced, when the current flowing through the galvanometer is 0. So how we can write the description? How we can write the theory? That we perform in the lab, that we can write here. So we can say that connect the circuit as shown in figure, or connect the battery key and rheostat to the end points of metal wire AC. Connect the unknown resistance X in the left gap and resistance box in the right gap. Connect a jockey between point B and to the connect the galvanometer, one end of the galvanometer to point B and another end of the galvanometer to the jockey, which can make a temporary contact. close the key K and take out some suitable resistance from the resistance box. We have to take out some suitable resistance from the resistance box. For that, we have to consider approximately, if we take out the suitable resistance from R, that must be near about equal to X, and close the key K so that the current will flow through the circuit. When the current is flowing through the circuit at this point A, that is at this point A, the current flowing from the cell I is divided into two parts, I1 and I2. At this point B, some current will flow through the galvanometer, but if the galvanometer shows zero deflection, we can say Ig is equal to 0, then the total current I1 that is flowing through X goes forward through resistance R, and current I2 that is going through this wire Lx is again go here, not in the upward direction. आणि वरून पण काय करंट Ig 0च येतोय, म्हणजे I2 पूर्ण जाईल आणि at point C I1 and I2 again meet and again come towards the same, and thus the bridge is balanced. When the bridge is balanced, when the galvanometer shows zero deflection. So we can observe the deflection here in the galvanometer. Galvanometer कसा असतो बघा, गॅलॅनोमीटरला सेंटरला जो पॉइंटर आहे तुमचा सेंटरला 0 असतो आणि इकडे 10, 20, 30 पर्यंत डिव्हिजन्स असतात, इकडे पण 10, 20, 30. वेन वी कनेक्ट द चोकी ॲट पॉइंट ए, समजा आपण चोकी ए पॉइंटला कनेक्ट केला तर एक्स आणि आर रेजिस्टन्स आहेच, पण हे पूर्ण वायरचं रेजिस्टन्स तुमचा R4 मॅक्झिमम होईल आणि R3 एकदम मिनिमम होईल, कारण हा जोकी तुमचा इथे येतोय. मग मिनिमम रेजिस्टन्स असल्यामुळे करंट पूर्ण या जोकीमधून खालून वर जाईल गॅलॅनोमीटरमध्ये, कळतंय. आणि त्यावेळेस गॅलॅनोमीटर तुम्हाला एका साईडला डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवेल, कारण गॅलॅनोमीटरमधून मॅक्झिमम करंट फ्लो होतोय आणि एक्स मधून करंट जाणार नाही. नाउ इफ वी कनेक्ट द जोकी ॲट पॉइंट सी, जोकीला जर पॉइंट सी ला कनेक्ट केलं तुम्ही तर तुमचा R3 मॅक्झिमम होईल आणि R4 मिनिमम होईल. मग इथे जो करंट आय येतो आहे तो इकडे मॅक्झिमम रेजिस्टन्स असल्यामुळे वर जाईल एक्स मध्ये आणि गॅलॅनोमीटर मधून असाईल, म्हणजे पहिले खालून वर जात होता, आता गॅलॅनोमीटर मध्ये वरून खाली येतो, म्हणजे अपोजिट. म्हणून गॅलॅनोमीटर या साईडला डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवेल. द मॅक्झिमम करंट इज फ्लोईंग थ्रू द गॅलॅनोमीटर. म्हणजे एंड पॉइंटला जोकी टच केला तर गॅलॅनोमीटर तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवतंय ऑन आयदर साइड. And then we touch the jockey at different points on the wire and obtain the null point D, for which galvanometer shows zero deflection. This point D is called as null deflection point, for which galvanometer shows zero deflection. Now when the galvanometer shows zero deflection, you can see the current flowing through that galvanometer Ig is equal to 0. Point B and point D are at equal potential. VB is equal to VD and your bridge is balanced. And when the bridge is balanced, we can apply the balancing condition, that is x upon r. समजते? आपण म्हणतो ना P upon Q is equal to S upon R. मग इथे काय होईल, x upon R is equal to या साईडचं AD म्हणजेच तुम्ही काय म्हणू शकता, रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ वायर AD, that is that length can be measured on the meter scale. That meter scale is fixed on the wooden board. Is that? Now Lx is the length of that wire, and here we can say resistance of wire. उरलेला पार्ट जो वायरचा आहे तो कोणता आहे तुमचा CD, and you know that AD plus CD is always 100 centimeter because the length of total wire is 1 meter. Now this is when you obtain this condition, when we can use this condition, when the bridge is balanced, current flowing through the galvanometer Ig is equal to 0, we can say x upon R is equal to resistance of wire AD upon resistance of wire CD. Means we can say the resistance of wire of length Lx upon resistance of wire of length Lr. Now how we can obtain this resistance of wire Lx and resistance of wire Lr? For that, in your 11th standard, you have learned that the resistance of wire is directly proportional to length of the wire and inversely proportional to area of cross section. Now, if rho is the specific resistance, we can write this equation as R is equal to rho into L upon A, where rho is specific resistance. What is rho? Specific resistance of the wire. Here we consider rho is the specific resistance of our metal wire, and A is the uniform cross section, or we can say cross sectional area or area of cross section. A is your area of cross section. We can say the resistance of our Lx. Resistance of our Lx काढताना आपल्याला म्हणता येईल रो into Lx upon A. And the resistance of wire LR is equal to, we can say, rho into LR upon A. Now you know what is Lx and LR. Lx is the length of the wire opposite to unknown resistance X, and LR is the length of the wire opposite to the resistance box. If your pointer is at 48 centimeter from the left end, 48, मग Lx 48 असेल तर LR किती असेल 52. If your pointer is on 50 centimeter, you can say Lx is equal to 50, LR is equal to 50. If your Lx pointer is on 46 centimeter from left end, you can say Lx is equal to 46, then LR is equal to 54. The sum is 100. Now you can measure the length of wire from the given meter scale on the meter, and you know the value of unknown resistance R also. So you can put that value here. X upon R is equal to, you can say, rho into Lx upon A upon rho into LR upon A, where rho get cancelled. That is the specific resistance of safe wire. Area of cross section get wire cancel, and you get here Lx upon LR, and on the left side X upon R. You know that X upon R is equal to Lx upon LR. Therefore we can say X is equal to R into Lx upon LR. Is that X is equal to R into Lx upon LR. By knowing the value of R, Lx and LR, we can find the unknown resistance X. That is the aim of our experiment, or you have to explain how to determine the unknown resistance by using the meter bridge. For that, we can draw this circuit diagram, we can write some theoretical description, and by writing these simple formulas, you can reach on the final formula, that is X is equal to R into Lx upon LR. When the bridge is balanced, the current flowing through the galvanometer is 0. When we obtain the null point with the help of jockey on the wire, that is null point D. We can say the bridge is balanced. We can apply the Winstone's principle here, balancing condition for Winstone bridge, and we can say X upon R is equal to resistance of wire AD upon resistance of wire CD. Resistance of wire AD means resistance of wire of length Lx, and that is rho Lx by A. Resistance of wire CD is equal to resistance of wire of length LR, that is rho into LR by A, and we can obtain this formula from this equation, that is X is equal to R into Lx upon LR. In the problem, if you know Lx, you can say LR is equal to 100 minus Lx. हा फॉर्म्युला आपण काय लिहू शकतो, X is equal to R into Lx upon 100 minus Lx, LR ची व्हॅल्यू. आणि जर तुम्हाला LR माहित असेल तर तुम्ही Lx म्हणजे काय म्हणू शकता, 100 minus LR. Thus we can determine the unknown resistance X by using the meter bridge. In the next video, we will describe how to determine the resistance of the galvanometer by using the meter bridge. That is the next application of Winstone bridge. Thank you.